Llama AI by Meta is fast, open source, and ready to earn you money. Here's how to do it in 2025. Step 1. Download or access Llama 3 through platforms like Hugging Face or Local Setup. It's a powerful language model you can fully control. Step 2. Pick a use case: AI writing tools, coding assistants, customer service bots, or study helpers. Step 3. Customize Llama AI with your own data. Upload PDFs, guides, or product info to make it task-specific. Step 4. Monetize by selling niche chatbots or AI tools built on Llama, offering AI-powered services like resume writing, email replies, or research summaries, embedding it into apps, websites, or client tools, charging subscriptions for exclusive access. Step 5. Promote your Llama-powered tools through social media, tutorials, or freelancer platforms. In 2025, owning your own AI model means total freedom.